I almost made the wrong choice, and if you're trying to decide between Turbo AI and NotebookLM, there's a good chance you might too, because when you look at them online, they seem like they're solving the same problem. Both use AI, both help with information, both promise to make you more productive. But after spending time with both, I realized they're actually built for completely different types of people. And that's what nobody tells you. The first thing I did was upload research materials, articles, notes, PDFs, the kind of stuff most people deal with every day. I started with NotebookLM, and honestly, I understood the hype almost immediately. It felt less like a chatbot and more like a research assistant. Instead of searching through documents manually, I could ask questions and get answers directly from my sources. That was useful, really useful, especially when dealing with large amounts of information. Then I switched to Turbo AI, and my experience changed completely. Instead of focusing on documents, Turbo AI felt more focused on getting things done. Content creation, brainstorming, workflow support, execution. The platform felt faster and more action-oriented, and that's when I realized I was comparing two different philosophies. NotebookLM helps you understand information. Turbo AI helps you do something with information. That's a huge difference. A few days later, I noticed a pattern. Whenever I needed to learn something, summarize research, or understand a complicated topic, I naturally opened NotebookLM. But when I wanted to create content, generate ideas, or move a project forward, I found myself using Turbo AI. The choice became obvious, not because one tool was better, because they excelled at different jobs. Now, here's where people waste money. They buy tools based on features, not workflows, and then they wonder why they're not getting value. The smarter question is, what problem are you trying to solve? If you're a student, researcher, content strategist, consultant, or someone who spends hours reading documents, NotebookLM is incredibly hard to beat. The way it works with source material is genuinely useful. But if you're a creator, freelancer, agency owner, startup founder, or business owner focused on output and execution, Turbo AI starts becoming much more attractive because execution is its strength. After testing both tools, I expected to find one clear winner. I didn't. Instead, I found two tools built for two completely different situations. So before you pick Turbo AI or NotebookLM, don't ask which one is better. Ask which one matches the way you work, because that's what ultimately determines whether a tool becomes essential or just another subscription you forget about. And honestly, that's the lesson I wish somebody had told me before I tested both. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one.